Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. On today's video I will be discussing the Ethereum and Bitcoin valuation, where we have been seeing of course our perfect bearish divergence playing out right now, and we are seeing of course Bitcoin re-entering the symmetrical triangle and touching the lower side of support once again here. So we will be discussing all the levels of support where I will be of course accumulating my Bitcoins on. As well, we will be going further into the rejection that we got here of the ascending triangle. As well, we will be going to go into the Ethereum valuation, where we have been once again seeing an exact retracement towards our supportive target that I was looking to accumulate my Ethereum position at. So if this sounds interesting for you, make sure to right away smash up these likes here, and of course hit that subscribe button and ring the bell notification if you haven't already. And guys, by the way, let's go for 250 likes, since we have been of course absolutely crushing the market recently. So 250 likes, guys, let's go for it. So with this out of the way, let me go right away into the video, and let me start off to discuss the Bitcoin 1 hourly chart. So we were seeing of course a beautiful uptrend getting started here ever since of course we were touching the 32.8k here on Bitcoin. So since seeing this uptrend getting started here, of course yesterday in the evening, just approximately 6 hours ago, I was seeing some weaknesses in this uptrend, and it was exactly on this candle close and this candle open over here. So I was making a tweet to you guys and saying, okay guys, we are currently seeing a bearish divergence getting created on Bitcoin. The 1 hourly chart is not looking all too strong here, and I took some profits on my trades. I do as well expect some more bearish momentum on the 1 hourly chart before we're going to blast off towards higher targets. So I was of course warning you guys all about this move towards the downside, and as well the video that I uploaded here, because I was making this tweet exactly over here, and since then of course we were seeing another significant decreasement, and of course we approximately took, we approximately one, if you as well took a short here, and approximately 4.6% here. So it was a beautiful trade here, and as well it was a beautiful take profit area, and that is the most important part about it. I was seeing the weakness in the option first of all because of the bearish divergence, and right now the education will be coming once again in part here, because yeah, I'm of course a trader, and I was seeing some weaknesses in this chart. And maybe you're wondering, but Rover, how do you see these weaknesses in these trends? And I was seeing, of course, bearish divergence here on the MACD, and that was also the reason why I was yesterday uploading a video about it. And you can be as well going back into the channel here and see the update video that I did yesterday, because on that video I was already warning you guys approximately on this stage over here, where we were not seeing that last pump towards the upside before correcting. And in that video I was saying, guys, we're forming a lower high on the MACD, but then higher high in the price action. This is giving me, of course, a bearish MACD divergence, and these bearish MACD divergence, these can, of course, potentially always lead towards lower prices. So since seeing that, we, of course, decrease the valuation. It was very likely to see a decreasement, and people are maybe right now wondering that what we're going to see here, but there is absolutely nothing wrong with Bitcoin right now here, because if you're currently looking to Bitcoin, you can see first of all, on the 4 hour, it's just another minor leg down here, and we're still clearly in a higher low structure, even though the last high that we have been getting created over here is of course a lower high. What is of course quite bearish. We can be maybe potentially of course form something like this here, another downward slope resist line, that we can be of course maybe create another symmetrical triangle in the symmetrical triangle. So let's see how this will be reacting, of course. We'll be not giving exact price target yet here. But yeah, since of course breaking through this critical level resistance, I was expecting of course first of all some more supportive bounce from it, but at least we're holding on towards the upward sloping supportive line here. That is of course still an important thing. As well, if we're looking to the EMA ribbon, we're exactly trading on it right now here. It's still in the green, so it's still providing us support. Let's see how these next 2.5 hours will be going here for Bitcoin. As long as we're trading above this supportive target here, I do feel excited, but it is just very unfortunate that we were seeing a fake out. But as well, if you're enabling the volume real quickly, you could have seen it already coming here, because you can see while we were pumping towards the upside, the volume was not really coming in here. And of course, always if you don't see the volume coming in here while you're seeing a breakout, you are just lacking the confidence of the trade, and you're just lacking the confidence of the significant breakout. But yeah, I mean, right now I should be of course accumulating, at least I currently will be accumulating around the 33.9k here. The reason why I'm accumulating around this level here is because I do think the supportive target is a very important level to accumulate your Bitcoins on. And I always go with trade the trend, of course, as long as the trend, as long as we're going up here, as long as we're respecting the trend is my friend. So yeah, looking forward towards that one, and for sure I do expect Of course, still supportive bounce, and if we're going to break below it, the trend is not my friend anymore, and we'll be looking for, of course, some more shorts rather than longs here. So right now I still will be looking for longs, to be honest, because as well, if you're looking to this significant Bitcoin chart over here, you can see the 33.5k is a good accumulation level. So 33.5 towards 33.8k approximately should be your accumulation zone for your long position, in my opinion. Of course, no financial advice here. It's just my own opinion that I'm giving to you guys here on the market. But you can see as well for Bitcoin, we're forming a beautiful ascending triangle. Ascending triangle are usually bullish bias patterns and of course continuation patterns. So yeah, since we have been creating this downwards momentum, of course, it's more likely to see an ascending triangle to break towards the downside. Nevertheless, we can still see a breakout either direction. We're seeing already a lot of significance coming in here. Already 3 touch points on the top side, and we're about to get another one here on the lower side probably. So yeah, looking quite valid. Looking quite strong as well here, and I definitely can't wait to see which direction it will be breaking out towards, because this will be once again as well signifying an approximately 8% move here to either towards the upside or towards the downside. If I say it correctly, let me quickly check it for you guys. So it will be an approximately 14% move, excuse me, to either the 41k here or of course towards the 29.6k here. So yeah, I'm looking forward towards it. But once again saying, I do expect the Bitcoin to of course have been bottoming out around the 30k. 28 towards 30k is my bottom target, at least for Bitcoin. Let me know what you guys think about it. But of course the 12-hourly candles are as well clearly in an uptrend. So and then let me discuss real quickly the Ethereum price action, because Ethereum, guys, I mean, I don't want to be shilling the whole video here, but I mean, we have been once again exactly predicting it, because yesterday on the video that we were making here on the channel, we were of course talking about this Ethereum pullback here, since we were creating a bearish divergence and of course this MACD divergence on the Ethereum valuation, and of course Ethereum tends to follow Bitcoin. So yesterday on the video we made this very important blue box of support, and I was telling to everyone, okay, I do expect, like you can see over here, a pullback for Ethereum price action before moving and rallying up once again here. So Ethereum is looking to form once again a higher low, of course is finding support on previous resistance target, what is just a very bullish bias, of course, structure of the market. So Ethereum is looking very good here, and since of course seeing this getting created here, I mean, I'm only feeling more and more excited about it as well. On the Twitter page here, guys, you make sure, the quick thing that I want to be saying here before going further into the Ethereum valuation, make sure to go to Twitter, make sure to hit that follow button on @Rover CRC, because yesterday, I mean, yeah, we have been warning you exactly about the of course Bitcoin bearish divergence and the Bitcoin MACD divergence. We have been absolutely crushing it over there. And of course, we are giving you guys all these updates here on Twitter, and we don't say warning for no reason. And it would be, of course, absolutely amazing if you can just hit the follow button over there, since we're already closing in towards the 8,000 followers. So it would be amazing if you're going to follow us over there. If you want to be staying up to date about every single move from Bitcoin, we will be trying to do our best, of course, for sure about it. So let's go and let's continue further in this video. So yeah, what are we seeing with Ethereum? Yeah, we retrace towards this level. So this will be, first of all, a level of accumulation for me. This blue box will be, first of all, right away, a level of accumulation for me, as well for enabling the EMA rhythm. You can see 1 hourly still trading above it, 4 hourly still trading above it as well, clearly. And I mean, even though if you're not willing to look at, if you're not willing to look at the 1 hourly candles, guys, you can as well just approach it on the 4 hour. And if you're going to approach Ethereum valuation on the 4 hour, you can see it's a beautiful trend with higher lows, with higher highs. And of course, we're right now retesting the previous resistance as support. So yeah, it is looking quite good here. And even though we're going back for a retracement around to $2,200, it will be still bullish, because we're just going to retest our previous resistance target. So yeah, I'm personally really looking forward towards what Ethereum is going to do here. Like I told everyone before, yesterday I did took some profits exactly over here on the top. So yeah, we'll be trying to add more to my position, of course, if we're going to fall a little bit further. We'll be for sure keeping you guys up to date about it, and nothing more special to see on the Ethereum valuation. Yeah, unless that we're just finding support on a very critical level of previous resistance, where Bitcoin, of course, is still decreasing. So yeah, Ethereum is really respecting the trend here right now, and we will be for sure looking forward towards where we can be bouncing from further off here. So yeah, looking forward towards it. And guys, this was already it for the quick update video. I know it's a very short update video, so I will be trying to push out probably another video later today here. But for the moment, this is the update that I will be giving to you guys. And of course, if we're seeing some very important developments in the chart once again, I will be bringing out another update. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and peace out. Goodbye.